expert at minimalism, but I feel that there is so much to learn about having just a few things that you truly love.
Do you have a closet that is just stuffed to the brim with clothes and you have no idea how to find anything?
So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 9 different things that I think you could probably declutter from your life and to donate. If you want to watch the behind the scenes of this video, be sure to watch my YouTube Reels, which is on the subscription tab. Just click on the icon right above. I love my subscribers and I love giving back, so be sure to subscribe and also follow me on Instagram to enter this month's giveaway. So without further ado, let's get started! Oh, the struggle of clothing that just doesn't fit you anymore. You're not going to be getting any taller, shorter, or skinnier in just 2 weeks. I accidentally threw this romper in the wash and it shrunk, and as you can see, the lining is showing underneath and it no longer fits me anymore. So if you do have this similar problem, I have a video on how to resize clothing, which I will link for you down below. It's a really cool clothing hack. Oh, oversized sweaters. As much as I love them, sometimes they're quite unflattering for my body type. This sweater is just not doing my body any justice. I am definitely going to be donating this item because it no longer makes me happy. You're the artist and the canvas. Don't let your clothing control your outlook on life. The second item that you don't need in your closet anymore are items that are broken or damaged. So I'm talking about those old pajamas or just a pair of jeans that you've worn way too many times and have ripped in really awkward places. For all of these broken or damaged clothing items, don't throw them away. I have an entire playlist here on my channel all about clothing hacks, so be sure to go check that out. I'll link it for you down below. The third thing that you could probably declutter from your closet are your bras or underwears. You might have too many undergarments in your closet and not even know it. So this is one area that I feel a lot of people overlook sometimes. So go into your bras and underwear drawer and see if you have any items that are over 6 months to a year old that you haven't worn at all, and you can simply just discard those items. That you could probably declutter from your closet is loungewear. No, I'm not talking about that super cute tracksuit that you just got from Urban Outfitters. I'm talking about those clothes that you label loungewear, even though it's not really what it is. It's just clothes that aren't trendy anymore and you decided, I'm only going to wear it at home. If you feel that you didn't love it in the first place, why keep it around? Guilty of buying fashion accessories or statement jewelry that I only wear once. So things like very dramatic earrings or colorful necklaces that you know you're only going to wear once or twice to some special occasion. These are things that we probably don't need in our lives and we can simply just donate or discard. These high-heeled shoes I scored on sale. I love the cobalt blue color, but unfortunately these are so incredibly uncomfortable and painful. So instead of buying sale shoes, try to invest in a pair that you know will fit you and you will be able to wear for a long, long time.
Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why.
Whenever you take up a new hobby or sport, you tend to look to buy all of the gear or equipment. And these things, trust me, I know can add up and take up a lot of space in your closet. Depending on how often you see yourself playing these sports or attending these activities, consider renting or borrowing the equipment. Let's dive in deep into our sock drawer. I have a ton of special occasion socks. These ones I wore for Halloween, and these two were for Christmas. So these are items in my closet that represent things I only wear once a year for special occasions or for holidays. So these are items that are taking up a lot of precious space in our wardrobe that we probably don't need anymore, and likely you won't even miss. Okay, I've saved the best for last, which is sentimental clothing and just items in your closet that you have an emotional attachment to. Memorabilia could easily be sentimental items from a concert or from your old school, high school, college, elementary school, middle school. Ooh, so this dress I actually wore to my very first BeautyCon LA. I love this dress. It's so ornate with the red embroidery, and I've been really having a hard time letting it go. I think I could definitely find a new home for this dress. You don't have to limit yourself to a specific number of items or an aesthetic. Minimalism is very personal and can be decided by you how many items you feel fits your lifestyle. So comment down below and let me know what was your favorite tip from this video, and if you have any advice to share with us, I'd love to know. And as always, be sure to follow me on Instagram to enter this month's giveaway, and also subscribe if you aren't already. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Can you really have too many underwears? Too many why does the grammar just sound wrong? Bella, should I keep these blue shoes? Blink once if you think I should keep them. Oh, she blinked once.